Hello viewers, welcome to Murthy Sahiti EduTech. Today you are going to learn indefinite article A. What is an article? Let's see the board. An article is a word or a letter which is used before a noun and tells about the certainty of a noun is called an article. Articles can be divided into mainly two types. I have already discussed it in the previous classes. Definite article and indefinite article. Now today you are going to learn indefinite article. When do we use? Where do we use? Right? The first rule number 1. If consonant is the first letter of a countable nouns, countable singular common noun, A should be used. A is used before countable nouns. Countable nouns. So, for example, Ramya has dash book. Ramya has a book. Raju has dash pen. A pen. So, countable common noun. Singular common noun. So, before that we have to use indefinite article a. And I am at dash peasant there. I am at a peasant there. In this situation, in this context, we have to use a. Number 2. A is used before some indefinite numbers. Indefinite numbers. For example, a lot of, a number of, a great deal of, a half of, a large number of, a quarter of, etc. In such situations, in such phrases, we can use a. And the rule number 3, next rule number 3, a can be used before some indefinite collective numbers. Some indefinite collective numbers. There, indefinite numbers. Here, collective numbers. For example, a team of, a gang of, a flock of, a herd of, a panel of, a bunch of, etc. In these phrases, we can use a. Rule number 4. A is used at the place of per. Per, per. Per means 1. For example, petrol is found 25 dash later. Here a later. We have to write a later. It means per later. Apples are sold 80 rupees dash kg. A kg. A kg. Right? So that means per kg means. And the next rule number 5, to show the whole class are kind. We can use a. Here we can use the also. For example, a bird has wings. A bird has wings. A bird means all birds has wings. Here we can write the also. The also. The bird has wings. Here it refers to the whole class or whole kind. And dash monkey has a tail. The monkey or a monkey has a tail. Both are right. The next one, dog is a faithful animal. A dog or the dog is a faithful animal. The next example, dash cow, a useful animal. A cow or the cow is a useful animal. Here the bird means all the birds. The monkey means all monkeys. A monkey means all monkeys. The dog means all dogs. A dog means all dogs. Right? The cow means all cows. A cow means all cows. So we can use it for a whole class. Next rule is a is used at the place of on or in the place of on. For example, Sita was seen dash bed. Here we have to write a in the place of bed. We have to write a bed. Means Sita was seen on bed. And the next one, Rama went dash hunting. Went hunting. That means went on hunting. right? The next rule, if we put article A before a plural number, the forthcoming noun should become singular, right? For example, a 5-day match, dash 5-day match, a 5-day match. Here we have to write. Here is the plural number. If we use a before plural number, the forthcoming noun should be singular. We should not mention 5 days. A 5 days we should not say. But we can say 5 days walk or 5 days match. Okay. Or here a 10-mile walk. A 10-mile walk. Here means a 10-mile walk means mile here noun and a 10. A 10-mile walk, here it is in singular. Otherwise, if you delete a, it becomes 10 miles walk. Here 5 days match. It is 5 days match. 5 days match. And a 10-mile walk or 10 miles walk. We can say both are right. If we use a, we should not write plural. Otherwise, we can write plural noun. So, next one is a 15-man committee. A 15-man committee, man, singular. A 15, plural. And here 15-men committee, it becomes plural. Both are right. In this situation, we can use a. A is used before the words which beginning with the consonant sound. Though the words beginning with vowel letter, it is an exception case. Just see the examples. A university. Though it is a vowel letter, it gives the sound of U. It is consonant sound. Like that, a union, a unique film, a European, a one. It gives the sound of va. It gives the sound of U. So these are the consonant sounds given by the vowel letters. So in that case, we have to use a. Like a one-eyed beggar, a one-act play, a one-sided decision, like that. These are the exception cases. Though the words are beginning with the vowel letter, when it gives consonant sound, we should use a. And the next rule is, we use a after these words. Such, quite, rather, how, what. After these words, we have to use a in sentences. I have never seen such dash girl in my life. Such a girl in my life. And next example, Meena is quite a dull girl. A dull girl. And next, what a cool day it is. What a hot day it is. We can write like that in exclamatory sentences with what plus a construction. If these words are used as singular, we use a before them. They are noise, lie, hole, and headache, etc. For example, the pupil makes dash noise in the class. There we have to write a noise in the class. And another example is, Sunil always tells a lie. Always tells dash lie. A lie. Like that. The next rule is, a also can be used before Mr., Miss and Mistress, right? Plus name. Here we have to write a dash Mr. Ram wants to speak to you. So a Mr. Ram wants to see you. Here a Mr. Raju wants to speak to you. In telephone conversations, we can use a before proper noun or proper name. Thank you, one and all.